Hi coders, welcome to Coding Casually, and today what we'll be doing is we are going to solve one simple problem that most of the people are facing, generally beginners who are facing this when they try to install Python or they try to use Anaconda and they install it. Somehow or the other they are messing up with the path. And what happens is that if you want to check whether you have installed the Python in the right way and you are able to use it in VScode and other applications like PyCharm, what you can do is you can simply open CMD and write Python, and if this pops up, if this thing pops up, that means you have 99.99% you have installed it correctly. But if it doesn't pop up, that means you did not set the environment variable path in the right way. So for that, if this doesn't come out, you can actually fix it. What I'll do is I'll exit from Python, and what I'll do is I'll press window button on my keyboard and I'll type sysdem dot cpl. And what's gonna happen is, sorry, this is not the right thing. What I'll write is sys dm.cpl, and then this will pop up. So what you need to do is you have to go into advanced and then go into environmental, or you have to go into environment variables and then find path here. This is the path you have to go into and then press edit. So what's going to happen is you have to add these three parameters into this by pressing new, and then you can simply paste the path where you have installed Python. So I have Anaconda with me, and that is the reason you are able to see Anaconda written here. If you have simple Python installation, you can add these three path to it. If you have Anaconda, you already have an example in front of you. You just simply press the new button and copy and paste all these three. The first one would be the scripts one, the second one is the Anaconda folder, if you have Python, the Python folder, and then followed by scripts and lib. The moment you'll do this, for me it is already done, you'll press OK. Most of the issues that you're facing when it comes to installing a module or using Python directly will be solved. If you think that this is resourceful and you have gained something out of it, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.